Hello everybody, welcome to Matty's Grand Tour. Tonight is a different type of video. Tonight, due to the 50 to 60 mile an hour winds that I experienced during the making of this video, there is not a lot of video footage of yours truly because there's a lot of wind noise. However, you will see a lot more of the peaceful tranquility of tonight's location. The one thing I want to stress though is there is going to be a part 2. I am definitely going back there again. And hopefully when the wind has calmed down and the weather's a lot warmer. So yeah, let's roll those titles. Where am I today? Well, I tell you what, I am here at the Stiper Stones. There is a reason for why I'm here. Now, the Stiper Stones has so many stories. It's also filled with amazing views. The reason why I'm here today is to visit one area and one area only for this vlog, and that is something and a location called the Devil's Chair. Now, there is something called Manstone Rock, which you have to go to first in order to get to the Devil's Chair. So hopefully you guys will stay with me towards the end of this vlog, because we will get up to the brilliant Devil's Chair, and hopefully you guys will look forward to the ride and the beautiful views there is to come. Let's go, folks. The one thing I will say is that there is a car park down there, and there is also a car park a mile up the road, and you can park at the Stiper Stones, but the one I've parked at is voluntary payment. Now, you can park along the road where it can literally just take you up there. So yeah, quite an amazing sort of surroundings that we've got around here. But yeah, you can go about up here and then a mile down the road, but I can cover a mile very easily. Oh wow, oh wow. That is absolutely beautiful. It really is. Let's keep going. As it is always the way with me with gates, I'm going to try this last one. That was a bit anticlimactic, but I must have. I passed a load of hikers, and they said to me that I need to go off this bit here, and then we'll be going up a little sort of, as you can see, area here, and we're going to get somewhere called Manstone. Is it called Manstone? Anyway, we're going to get to a load of stones, and then we just carry on straight up. But I'm told that the views are quite spectacular. There's a load of woodland area here. Hopefully my finger's not in the way. And I don't know what that hill is. But that's incredible. If I had a Google Maps system that was actually reliable, I'd actually tell you what hill that actually is. What a beautiful sight. What a beautiful sight. And the sun is literally coming in out of the clouds. I'm actually going to stop for a bit to take a photograph of that, because honestly, that is truly spectacular. this little stone monuments. But as you can see, there's somebody up there now. I'm going to do my best to try and get up there for you guys and to show you the beautiful views that are on top of Devil's Chair. Oh wow! So over there, quite literally, I'll point to it, over there is the town of Shrewsbury. That over there is the Wrekin. You can see the Clee Hill over there. I think Ponsbury Hill's round here somewhere. Absolutely incredible. And this sign out here.